from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. moving forward, you take no appointments. Decide what days you're working. I don't care. I'm not here to sell you hustle porn. You gotta work 26 hours a day, and that's the only way you're gonna make it in this business. That's bullshit. You need to rest. If you don't rest, you're not good. I drank a little bit too much on Super Bowl, and so I had to take a couple of hours off yesterday. I didn't beat myself up. I'm running a marathon here. So you're allowed to take days off. But I need to figure out, and you, more importantly, need to figure out what are the days that you're going to work. 5 days a week? Great. 6 days a week? Great. 4 days a week? Great. Okay? Then, for 3 hours, every single morning, 9 to 12, you only focus on one thing, and that is called generating business. I don't care how nice your listing presentation is. If you don't have any fucking clients, you can't present to anyone. All your time moving forward from 9 to 12 is focusing on generating business. Because when you have a lot of business, you can always have someone else take care of it as well. So you have to hammer down on 9 to 12 and the things that Laura spoke about in your CRM. So you can't say anymore, I don't have the time. The problem is we run around with our heads cut off when a home inspector calls us and says, I can only do the home inspection at 10:30. Since when does the home inspector decide when we do and what we do? There's 6,700 of them. Find another one. Sorry, Mr. Home Inspector. How's 1 or 3 p.m. for you? Because if you want to make sure that 2024 is better than what happened in 2023 for you, and I have a feeling if you're here at 11 a.m. on a random Tuesday, you want more. I'm just going to make that assumption. The easiest way to do that is to make sure that you have no distractions between 9 and 12. 9 and 12 is when you set up your CRM, get your emails out, you make your phone calls, exactly what you're going to hear me do now, and shoot your content. Someone tells you that putting a video up on social media is not a lead generation activity or a prospecting activity, just shut out the noise. Because most of you know me because of my content. Now what we need to do is get your people in your CRM, not the rest of the world, just the people in your CRM, to get to know you on social as well. Why? Because what you want to hear is, bro, I can't get away from you. I open up my inbox, I see Jazz Takhar. I open up Facebook, I see Jazz Takhar. I go to podcasts, I hear Jazz Takhar. And when they say you're so annoying, I'm like, why are you still listening? Right? I'd rather them see me and hear me in a bunch of different places than not.
If you found that video valuable and you want to see me on stage for the full talk, click here. If you want to see more videos, click here.